Have you ever failed a few software development projects, maybe one or two? Well, you probably learned a few things, but however, I'm going to talk about must-have skills or ways you can avoid this in the future and how you could shine with your dev team. Yes, we are in the age of this digital disruption where technology and innovation are driving change at an unprecedented rate. And as technology leaders, CEOs, IT managers, it is our responsibility to ensure that our development teams are equipped with the skills and tools they need to succeed in this rapidly evolving landscape. And what can we do to obtain the best results? The number one problem that I've always seen is that we have to take care of non-development work that can overload developers, lighten their load and have them focus on what really matters. And one of the biggest challenges facing software developers is dealing with non-development tasks that take away from their core responsibilities. This can include tasks such as scheduling meetings, managing budgets, handling HR issues. And by taking care of these tasks, you will free up your team's time to focus on development work, ultimately leading to a better quality software. Take an example for Airbnb. They had a dedicated operations team that would handle all of these non-development tasks when they actually need to get the product going and off the ground. Then provoke innovation, push some boundaries, encourage creativity. Although you don't want too much creativity, but you need people to share ideas, come up with new solutions. So innovation is a key to any success in a good software development project. And it is the job of the leader, the dev manager, the project manager to make sure they encourage a team to be a bit flexible and give feedback on what could be the best option for this particular solution. Then next would be avoiding unnecessary multitasking. Sometimes they do have to focus on a particular goal and get ideas. However, you should be goal oriented and have set simple deadlines. Software development is a complex and a demanding process and does require a lot of focus and attention to detail. And any dev manager would know that avoiding unnecessary distraction, and they will need to know and realize what is an unnecessary distraction, right? Then empower your developers and unleash their potential. For example, a cake can be made in multiple ways. Different chefs could have different modes and means or maybe ingredients, ways to bake the same cake, right? So developers are creative individuals who thrive when they have been given some freedom. And of course, there are set guidelines. However, they may have their own ways and skills that makes them work to their full potential. Then, of course, all of this said, you need to definitely plan, prioritize, and execute with precision. Of course, you cannot have extending deadlines every 2 days that, okay, we have to pile up something new. That should not be part of the plan. You should have a plan, a scope document, spec sheet, and idea of how you're going to get this done at the soonest possible time. At the same time, leaving some room for innovative thought and ideas. So it's a combination of all of this. The next will be matching skills with the tasks. Ensure that the developer or the team of developers that is working on a project actually has the skills to actually carry out that task. And I've seen this numerous times that they hired a couple of developers. They did not actually have the skills to actually get the work done. They can come to me and we fix their software or develop it from scratch to get it going. But this is very important that people have to keep a mind on. Then, of course, build relationships, foster a positive work environment. As we all know, strong working relationships, possibly a little competitive, are critical to a success of a software development project, if not any project. And if a good software tech developer will know how to keep the team motivated, have fun when you need to, take a break every now and then, but develop relationships, bring them together, have them work as a team. Then one more thing. Hear your team and respond if there is something coming up. Listen to your team. Responding to their needs is critical for the success of any software development project. As any strong manager will know, it is important to have open and transparent work environments where everybody feels comfortable in providing feedback and raising concerns before things blow out of proportion. And Tesla is known for that anybody can bring up an issue or recommend something to the main leader, Elon Musk. And they have been very innovative and have taken great strides and always value somebody who's looking to give some constructive feedback. Sometimes the best ideas come from a heated argument, but make sure you're able to realize that you need to, take this advice. But anyways, this is what I've learned, and I try to emulate this in my software development for my clients at Truetalent.online. If you have a need, I think we can help you out. Anyways, talk to you guys soon. I'm Dr. Amar Khan. Yes, a doctor working in tech. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.